In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and most merciful, trillions of salat, prophet, peace be upon him and all of them. And welcome Artificial Intelligence Setup Business Presentation for Metaverse Foreign Exchange Group. And before starting this presentation, one thing, I am not a financial advisor, so please verify everything from personally, and after that any decision which you want to please perform here. So very good quotation is here: trend is your best friend. And when you discuss this trend friend with your best friend, and if these all things in if you have good opportunity, good environment, good leadership, then obviously uh, you receive a very effective result. So that's a reason we discuss with you amazing concept of 21st century with the name of Metaverse Foreign Exchange Group. This group basically belongs established in 2015, and so on. First they can manage manually trading, then signal trading, and they work on artificial intelligence. Meanwhile they have faced some troubles, but they can manage all losses with very good way. So basically it's this group from Canada base, and here is the registrations, OSC and so on. So basically this company main theme is working in artificial intelligence. So little bit I discuss in artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? Person's work when performed from softwares or robots is called artificial intelligence. Decision making, problem solving, perception, analyzing, you manage everything. So this time approximately every organization manage artificial intelligence application, AI applications, and with the help of they can save the money and they can save the time too much. So it's depend on the what is the main role of the organization, in which in this way they can manage easily. So Metaverse Foreign Exchange basically artificial intelligence, how they can manage AI and how they can build a great work to for save money, save time for their people. So let's suppose few time ago we manage some money, and after that we can trade some we need lot of time for trading something, and we have no experience which commodities go up, which commodities go less. So after many of time we can destroy our money and time. So with the help of artificial intelligence, Metaverse Foreign Exchange Group, basically in the behind of the exchange, they can set a algorithm in AI. You can sell anything, you can sell commodity, you can sell crypto, you can sell forex, you can sell any stock. But when you sell anything, please build at least from 2% to 7% profit. And this way this algorithm is set in the behind of software and algorithm, and just set the command, go to trillions of industry and put up just profit from 2 to 7%. Accuracy of this trade is approximately 98% positive. Might be sometime you get less profit, sometime you get no profit, sometime you go to loss, but approximately according to previous statistical analysis, approximately 63% profit get in return in form in approximately in 1 month. So this is very good achievement for this company. So what you do in here, it's depend on your belong in which country. Let's suppose if you have from Nigeria, then you just first of all you manage any fund. We discuss inshallah next slide, but you need to open the report. It's depend on you in which country you belong. Basically, let's suppose if you have from Nigeria, then you need to just click on a button and open the report from 3 a.m. to uh, 1 p.m. And if you belong from Ghana, then 4:30 a.m. between 12 p.m. in between, you just open your report, and your trade will be go to uh, trade for approximately 12 hours, and after that report automatically will be closed, and you will get your daily return after using your fund of approximately 12 hours. So you have two options. Number one, if you invest in this business in USDT form, and secondly you invest in this business in the form of MTFP coin. So if we discuss about MTFP coin in private sale, this coin price started from zero point 0.5 cent, but right now the current price of one MTFP is 26 USDT plus, and approximately 500 million right now market capital of from this coin collected from overall the world. This is the trust of the leaders, this company from overall the world, from overall the company. So it's totally depend on you. You start this business to invested in USDT or MTFP, or it's totally depend if you want to enjoy both type of format, then you also option for trade in both options. So the metafyplay.com, in this wallet you can buy your MTFP, you can buy your USDT, transfer money for wallet purpose. You can use this platform metafyplay.com, and for the purpose of using open your trade, open your bot, open your all things, MetaBoots AI for managing your team and all of things. For this way you using the MetaBoots AI wallet. So it's minimum it's trade from Monday to Friday, and if you want to enjoy 7-day trade, then you have at least 20,000 plus account. You can convert your format anytime, dollar to MTFP to dollar, and anyway asset to wallet and so on. So here is a chart. Let's suppose if you start this business from $61, and this way from $1 to $2 in between you can return daily, you get. And if you invest 61 MTFP, then 1.25 to 2.30 MTFP you daily get. And here is, let's suppose if you start this business from 501, in this way 10 to 15 USDT you get daily basis, and 12 to 17 USDT in the form of MTFP if you have, then you can get daily return. So one point is very important. If we want to go to USA, we will need USDT for going to USA. We will need dirham for going to UAE. Similarly, we will need MTFP coin to start AI trading in Metaverse Foreign Exchange Group. So you have must be at least in the form of fees. Let's suppose if you want to start, because this is very popular package, so we wished we calculate in depth for this package calculation. Let's suppose if you want to invest in this business, start this business from $61, you need at least $61 plus at least you need $10 MTFP, and including fees is approximately you need required 72 USDT. And in this package you need approximately in $1 to $2 daily return in 22 days. If we discuss regarding mean, and 33 USDT you get in a month. And this is the examples of other packages from 26. This is real example of $26 package, and same package $61 we discussed already, $1 to $2, and this is real example of $61 package. 201 in 201 package you get $3 to $5 and $28. It's real example a person received in 8 days. And here is 501 real example, 901 real example, and 1501 real example, and mean examples 3501 real example, and a lot of things. And here is 220,001 real example this person received in 8 days. So all transaction in the form of fees is deducted, and if you have 20,000 plus USDT worth account, then you will enjoy 7 days trade. This is the real example. A person started this business 501, they can get 797 in just 56 days. This a person, it's another example. 901, a person crossed the break even from 42 days. One of another example, this person started this business 2001, and in 45 working days they crossed the break even. And if you want to enjoy commission plan also, you just invite your friend from your referral code, and you can daily basis get return from your team earning commissions. So here is also rank, is agent rank, super agent rank, executive rank, and here is you also need your monthly income, incentives, and all of those. And if you have any type of question, please contact with company Telegram official channel. This is our Metaverse Billionaire Club. All information, we try our best level to share this informative information in this group. So if you receive any link from your friend, then you please join with your friend promo code. And if you approach this video directly, so please request to use this promo code 13622384 for the time of registration. For this step, you just need violet.metabootsi.com, and then you go to register, then enter your email and solve the captcha, write this promo code 13622384. If your friend invite you, then please write here her friend promo code. And then next step, then go to solve captcha, get verification code, and 6-digit code, receive your email, and you set your password, and again write your email and password, and complete your personal information. This is the step. So it's all about from my side. Hope you can enjoy this presentation. Inshallah, very soon we can meet again with the new informations. Wish you best of luck for all of you. Thank you so much for all of you, and we will too much confident, inshallah, in this platform we can manage build a strong working and strong struggle, and we make a better lives for our friends. So need to request to your prayers and best wishes for all of you. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Take care. Bye bye.